Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to replace the key fob housing on a newer GMC vehicles. Now in my case I just bought the 2019 GMC Terrain off the car auction, and this is the fob I got with it. So as you can see, it's in very rough condition. So what I did, I got a new housing online. It was like 18 bucks, I believe. And what I will do, I will change the board from this one to this one, and that will give it a nice new look, and I'll be able to sell this GMC Terrain. Now this video should apply to pretty much any newer GMC vehicle, I believe 2015 and up, GMC Terrain, GMC Acadia, GMC Yukon, Sierra, and so on, yeah. Okay, so first I will show you how to take the old one apart. I will not be too careful because this one is badly damaged. So first thing you will do, you want to get the blade out of the fob. So there is this button here on the side. I hope you can see it. You want to press onto this button and pull the blade out. And once you have done that, then you have to pop out this back cover as well. So you can use something like a flat screwdriver, even a kitchen knife would work, or you can even use this blade to pop it off. So you want to insert it like right here and then just pop it off. Okay, just like this. Okay. And what I will do, I will try to get this out, this motherboard, and install it into this new fob, and that's pretty much everything. Okay, so to get this piece out, you just want to gently pry it out. Okay, just like that. And that's everything, because this is actually your key fob, right? All this is just the housing, this is nothing. This is your fob. Even like this, if you just get the battery and insert it here, you can operate the vehicle using this motherboard, right? And also don't forget to get the battery out, because you'll have to install it into your new housing. And now we will do the same thing on the new housing. We'll just open it up and insert that board inside. So same thing, first get the blade out. Now this is the blank blade in here, in case I want to cut the key, but I don't want to do that because I will just insert this existing key into this new housing. Now same thing, open the housing. Okay. Okay, so what I will do next, I will get the new housing. First I will insert the battery here. Okay, just like that, and then I will get this board, and I will just install it the same way like it was, just like this, so it touches the battery. And now at this point it's a good idea to test the fob as it is. I'm not close to this car right now, so I will not do it, but this is the idea, right? So before you put back the cover, you just want to get close to the vehicle and try pushing these buttons to see if it works. If it does, what you will do next, you will just insert the cover back on. Okay, just like this, and insert the new blade. And here is your new fob. Looks much better than the old one, and this is a quite expensive vehicle which I will be selling, so I don't think anybody would buy it with this kind of a fob. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.